Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will have a walkthrough on how to write a program that will display the animal sounds using the concept of polymorphism in object-oriented programming in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, so basically I'm using code blocks, okay, as my text editor, and also we have here GCC, C++ compiler. So sharp include the IOStream input output. We have here a class animal public void, virtual void. It will display the animal makes sound. And then we have here class dog public animal, and then calling override. This is already the polymorphism. Override makes sound. So the animal takes a sound. Dog barks. Again, another example, snake animal makes sound. The snake cat public animal meow, no? Here it starting point main starting point of every program execution. I declare pointer array of animals tree, dog, cat, and snake. So using for loop statement, it will display here title of our program animal sound using polymorphism in C++, and then we want to delete the allocated objects to free the memory, you know. And then end of program. Thank you for using this program. Return to our operating system. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to build and run. Okay, we have here the output. Animal sound using polymorphism in C++. Animal 1, the dog barks. Animal 2, the cat meows. And then lastly, the snake in a program. Thank you for using this program. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video on animal sound using polymorphism in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for your support by watching, likes, comments, and suggestions. If you are new with my channel, please subscribe. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.